Good day, welcome to the Technorat Master YouTube channel. Well, what I am going to talk to you about is something very valuable to you, and a problem that many people have. I think you have a YouTube channel, or are going to start one. I request those people to definitely watch this video. A problem that many people who have a YouTube channel have is that when they upload a short video, the views do not fall properly. Also, they fall after 100,200 views, and then the views do not fall beyond that. The reason for that is the way you upload. It may be the way you upload. So today I will talk about how to upload a short video properly and the 5 things that affect the views of your video and upload a short video in that way. So before going to the video, I remind you that if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So let's go to today's video.
Okay, before going to the video, watch this short video. Okay, I think you must have watched the video. Look, this has more than 100,000 views and likes. Why can't we do this? No, we can. I will tell you this as soon as the video is uploaded. 1. Video title. When you give this title, don't forget to put a title that suits the video. Also, I remind you to put the first letter of the title in a capital letter. 2. Emoji. If you watch the video I showed carefully, you must have seen that the last emoji has been added to the video. When putting this emoji, I remind you to put it at the end or in the middle of the video. 3. Checkered tags. I remind you to put 1, 2, or 3 checkered tags at the end of the video. I also remind you to put it in a way that suits the topic. 4. Description. Some people don't put this, or they forget to put it. I say this is a must-add. You can add it to your channel description. 5. Thumbnail. This is the latest update to short videos. You can create this and upload videos. Okay, I think you understand what I said. After completing these things, you can upload your short videos. In a few days, you will understand the difference. So see you in another video like this. Until then, have a good day.